Good morning, all. I want to quickly for us to take a look into the USD-JPY structure, which is USD yen, on the monthly time frame and what we are seeing. There is a little change in this structure, and from what I can see, USD yen appears to be going all the way to break the top. Maybe not immediately. I will be telling us on the group what to do, but still I want us to understand the big picture and what is happening. Now we see this wave as a wave A, the return here as a wave B, and we are within a wave C. This wave C has extended up to 127 extension so far, but we know that the limit to the upside is 1618. It has extended to 127. Now, within wave B, C, which is, we start from here, we are going to see 5 wave structure. And the cycle will be completed on the monthly, the weekly, the daily, the 4-hour, and the 1-hour time frame. Now, what are we completed so far? We have completed wave 1. We have completed wave 2 here. We have completed wave 3 here. Now we have completed wave 4. So before we were thinking we're going to have an A of B, B of B, C of B, and we turn down. That is not what it is now. It has changed. So wave 4 actually did A, B, and C, which ended here. So we are into the last wave 5. But into the last wave 5 is going to take time. It's not something that will burn off as quickly as that. It's going to take time. So, but we are off wave 3 completely. So wave 1 completed, wave 2 down here completed. Now, to count internal structure of wave 1, this green here area here marks internal structure of 1 of 1 here, 1 of 3 here, 2 of 3 here, 3 of 3 here, 4 of 3, and the diagonal of 3 of 3, which is ended there. So you can do all the FIB and the RSI on the monthly, weekly time frame to see what we're talking about. Now, the big 3 is completed of that major C, and this is the big 4. So we can say 1 in blue, 2 in blue, 3 in blue, 4 in blue. The O3 is completed. The O4th wave is completed. We are now going into the last wave. Now, in the last wave, we are seeing this formation. I want you to follow this. This is the wave that we are interested in now, which started on the 1st of April, 2025. So we are into that, and it's not going to end in another 3 months. It's not going to end in another 3 months. So we got to make what we can make do with and trade more to the upside, but not immediately. We need to understand the internal contour of this particular wave. Now here I see wave 1 and wave 2, 3, 1, 3, 2. It seems that we have finished the wave 3 of this wave completely, and this is the wave 4 of it that we saw, and we are going to do the last 5 waves to the upside. This counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1, 2, 3 is completed. Let me now switch to the weekly time frame so that we can focus on that wave. On the weekly time frame, this is the last 5 waves that we're going to do to the upside. This is the last 5 waves. This is A, B, C of that wave. Now, on the weekly time frame, we have done wave 1, wave 2, 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and which is completed. So we are into the last 5 waves. And I want us to understand that. Now, if I should just zoom off a bit to bring out my drawing to help use capture what I've said. This is A and this is B. 1 in blue, 2 in blue, 3 in blue, 4 in blue has ended. Within wave 3 in blue, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which has ended in a diagonal here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 has ended in a diagonal. Now, within this fourth wave, we are seeing A, B, C, and has ended this. So we are into, so to go up here, it might be 1, 2, 3 extension to the upside, or 1618, which is marked. Even at 1, 2, 3, which is at this blue level, is still a lot. It's a lot. At 1, 2, 3 level, from here down to where the price is about 1,000 pips. And to 1618 is about 1,008 pips. So, but not that you want to buy carelessly. So let me zoom out, or zoom in rather, for us to now begin to look at this particular wave. So this wave, we thought it was going to be a B, and see one more leg to the downside before we go up. The fourth wave has ended here. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, the last 5 waves. Now, in these last 5 waves, where are we? I want us to understand this wave. Where are we? So let me turn down to the 4-hour time frame for us. That is what has changed now. This thing is going back to the upside. So within these last 5 waves now it's going to be a diagonal. So we have seen wave 1, wave 2. Wave 3 seems to have completed completely with this breakout of here. Now this is wave 5 going to the upside. Now what we are going to do so that we won't just lose our money unreasonably is for us to probably remove our stop loss on Usdjpy, which is we are selling. We are going to remove that stop loss for now. Let's allow this to complete its 5th wave. Now, within the internal of the 5th wave, I can see 1 of 2, 2 of 2. This is the major 2 here. Probably we have the third of this leg of this wave here, which is at 1618 of this extension to the upside. The 4th one, and this is 1618 extension to the upside at about 158. So let's just allow this to run the 5th wave. After running the 5th wave, that will now be the first wave of the ending structure, which is going to be 5 waves. It's going to be the first wave of the ending structure as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 completed. We are going to see an ABC that will come and run down probably close to 155, 154 level. And then we can now exit some trades, and at this level, we can now begin to look for more upside. That is what I can see for now. So let's allow this burn off. Take off the stop loss here. You have to look at your account and all of that you can do. Take off this stop loss here. Allow it go up. I want to recommend that you should begin to buy this from this level, because this one can get truncated and they will just go down from here. So we have to be very careful buying it now. So we're still going to buy. We can buy at this level when the price gives us a 3 waves correction. On the 1-hour time frame, looking at that, so it's like this is 1 of 2 and 2 of 2 initially. So this is now a major 1, a major 2. Then we are seeing the 3rd wave go to the upside. If they decide to now make this a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at this level they will truncate and they will drop. So they can drop at this level. But if they decide to now make this 1, 1, 2, which I expect, then the 3rd wave should be finishing somewhere around this area. Then the 4th wave coming close to this area, between this area and this area, the 4th wave should be coming there. Then the last 5 waves to the upside, then we should drop. So we are almost there. That is what I want to tell us here, that the price will still fall temporarily. We just need to be more patient with it. for it to drop, at least if it's going to drop from this level, if it's going to drop, we might get about close to 300 pips drop. If we get that, we'll exit and look for our buy again from this level. So that ends USDJPY. I will try and analyze Euro JPY and get back to us on that. Bye.